In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up levels on Discord using Probot. This is an exciting way to engage and motivate your community by rewarding members for their activity and participation. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get you started. First things first, you'll need to head over to Discord. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email and password, then click the login button to access your Discord account. Once you're in, you're going to want to make your way to the Discord home, where you'll find a list of servers you're a part of on the left side of your screen. Within this list, select the server you wish to enable the leveling system on. Remember, you need to have the proper permissions to make changes to the server settings. After selecting your server, right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Server Settings. Inside the server settings, there's a wealth of options to customize your server. What we're interested in today is the app directory. This is where Discord gathers a host of useful bots and tools that can add functionality to your server. Click on App Directory to proceed. Now it's time to find Probot, which is the bot we'll be using to set up our leveling system. To do this, simply type Probot into the search field within the app directory. The search results will show you Probot among other related entries. Click on Probot to continue. Upon clicking Probot, you'll be taken to a page dedicated to this bot. Look for a button labelled Add App and click on it. This action redirects you to Probot's site via the Visit Site option that appears next. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be authorizing Probot to interact with your Discord server. Once you're on Probot's website, locate the Add to Server button. This might require you to log in again for verification purposes, especially if you're managing multiple servers. It's crucial to select the correct server where you wish to install Probot. After selecting the server, you'll be asked to continue and then authorize Probot's access to your server. This is standard procedure for adding bots to Discord servers. It allows Probot to function correctly and manage roles, send messages, and more. Before the process is complete, Discord requires you to verify that you're human by clicking a Verify button. This is a security measure to prevent automated abuse. Once you've verified, you're almost done with the setup process. Finally, to enable and configure the leveling system specifically, you'll want to navigate back to Probot's site. Look for a section labelled Leveling System. Here you'll find options to customize how levels are awarded on your server, such as through activity and chats. This section allows you to set up roles that users can achieve as they level up, making the entire process more exciting and rewarding. To fine-tune how these roles are awarded, click on Roles. This will take you to a part of the Probot dashboard where you can assign specific roles to different level thresholds. For instance, you might want to give a novice role to users when they reach level 5 or a veteran role when they hit level 50. One of the final touches to configuring your leveling system is to click on Probot. This option allows you to enable certain perks or features that come with Probot, enhancing the overall experience for your server members. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a leveling system on your Discord server using Probot. This new feature will undoubtedly add a layer of engagement and fun for your community members, encouraging them to participate more actively. Remember, the key to a successful server is active and happy members, and features like leveling systems contribute significantly to this goal. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and that you're now equipped to enhance your Discord server with a fantastic leveling system thanks to Probot. Don't forget to adjust and experiment with the settings to find what best suits your community. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.